Welcome back, YouTube. Today's Amazon surprise. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. It is a gas cap cover.
Step 1, pop the top.
Alright, you're going to need a trim removal tool. They're pretty cheap at any kind of auto parts store. This doesn't scratch your Jeep. You're going to go ahead and pop this top. Once you pop the top, you'll see a plastic bolt. This takes the T40 Torx bit. You have this in your Jeep toolkit, along with the T50 for the doors and top.
Step 2, remove the plastic bolt. Remove the tail light. Step 3, remove the nozzle clip. Step 4, remove the old gas cap.
Alright, there looks like there's two clips. One there and one on the top side, on the inside, that you've got to press down and this whole piece comes out. Taking this thing out, there is a rubber gasket right here that we're going to need for the new piece. The new piece does not have it, so we're going to take this out somehow and put it on the new piece. Okay, so we got the new housing installed. It's plug and play. It's really simple. The issue that I have with this housing that I ordered was it did not come with the rubber gasket that was on like the original housing. There are other parts, other manufacturers you can buy this from that has the rubber gasket with it. I went cheap and didn't have the gasket, so I had to reuse the rubber seal, and I had to order a new gasket. And once it comes in, I'll do a video on how to replace that. But overall, I mean, it works for what it is now. Nothing can get down in there, so stick around. We'll show you the new video once we get the new gasket in. Add the gas cap, plug it back in, and you're good to go. Realign the light. This piece right here fits right up in there, and it's got a couple snaps that go in place on the frame. Make sure it lines up. Next, you're going to want to reinsert the plastic bolt with your T40 bit, and you'll be good to go.